Hi there, Charlie here. Welcome to this episode of Minute Biographies. Today we're going to learn about Beethoven, that lonely giant of music. Beethoven was very sensitive about his ugliness, and so despite his many loves, he never married. He was hot-tempered, awkward, and lonely, and had very few real friends. He had to struggle for money all of his life. In spite of these great handicaps, Beethoven wrote some of the most noble music that the world has ever heard. Imagine a musician being deaf. Beethoven was deaf most of his life. He never heard a single note of his greatest work, the Ninth Symphony. Beethoven was born in 1770 and died in 1827. Thank you for listening to Minute Biographies. If you like what you heard, please like and subscribe. Bye-bye.